Hello guys, and welcome back again to another Osu tutorial. In this video I will show you how to drop a class in Osu, which means kind of how to find easier bitmaps for yourself. For example, let's say that you are downloaded some bitmap, for example, like this one. Let's say that you downloaded this one, and the first map that you have opened is fast as fudge. So as you can see here, you can't really click, and me also, I can't really do anything about this map. It's so fast and I can't really play it. And what is the other condition? The other condition that you don't have the list looks like that. The list kind of looks messy, something like so, something like that, which is A B C D A F G, like the alphabetic order. And you really wanted to go play the same map, the same song, but at an easier level or easier class. How to do so? Basically, you can just click on group as I showed you, and then click on by difficulty. After doing so, go check which map you have played before. So for example, we've played My Love in here, so we go and close this one. Of course, you might find the same bitmap in the same range. Like for example, you can find here hard mode in here, and in here we can find the same bitmap but normal mode. So now we don't find this here, you can just look for it in this section as well. And yeah, here it is. For example, now we have the easier mode. For example, you can also, if you couldn't like manage to win this, let's try it. For example, let's try to do it. It is still kind of fast. Yeah, I barely can like keep up with it, but overall it's pretty good map. I think, yeah, it's oh no, it's fast guys. I can do it. I was just joking. Yeah, so for example, yeah, it is really fast. I find it hard, so again we can just close this tab and then go to 3 stars and search for the same map. So this one I've already finished it. I have a C mark on it, so let's try to do it together. As you can see, okay, now this one is pretty much easier than the other two. I can keep up with it, I can play it. So yeah, that was the tutorial for today guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.